tonight's more about helping share with you what we've discovered through our research process and through understanding your business and your customers.
Perfect.
Our goals for Carla is to attract and engage her with the company mission, ethical practices, and the product offering, particularly around why this is better than maybe some of the choices that she's making.
Everything you've said is really bang on. I can see exactly all the personas and how it all links into what we've experienced so far. So well done.
As previously mentioned or touched upon by Ravina, we conducted a contextual research on a variety of customers, and what we did is we observed their reactions and gained their insights to your current webpage.
I think there's a lot more that we can do, especially around the technology that you talk about, to help them understand, well, it's not expensive, it's actually there's technology and patents that have gone into the bags. You're doing an incredible job. It's so exciting to be working with you all. And thank you so much for your time and for your energy, and you're teaching us as much as you're hopefully learning.
So, I'm really proud of you all. That was so good. Thank you so much. And how did you all feel about it? I was just here. I didn't have to do anything. It was great. I was really impressed.